boost your YouTube earnings, tips, and tricks. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Ayo, and today we're about to blow this whole YouTube money-making thing wide open. We're talking 5 insane tips and tricks that'll have you swimming in subs and cash. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this video's got something for everyone. We're going to break down the secrets to boosting those ad revenues, snagging those sweet sponsorships, and even building your own merch empire. I'm talking next level strategies here, people. We're going to get real, we're going to get raw, and we're going to get you paid. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to learn how to turn your passion into a money printing machine. Let's do this. All right, let's kick things off with the bread and butter of YouTube income, ad revenue. Now, we all know ads can be a little annoying, but they're also the lifeblood of many creators. The key here is to optimize those bad boys to rake in the big bucks. First up, you got to understand ad placements. YouTube gives you a bunch of options like pre-roll, mid-roll, and even those pesky overlay ads. Experiment with different placements to see what works best for your audience and your content. You don't want to bombard people with ads, but you also don't want to miss out on potential earnings. And here's the real secret sauce: CPM. That stands for cost per mille, which basically means how much money you make per 1,000 views. Now, CPM can fluctuate depending on a ton of factors, like your audience demographics, the time of year, and even the type of content you create. Do your research, target the right keywords, and watch that CPM skyrocket. Now, let's talk about sponsorships, baby. This is where things get really interesting. Imagine getting paid to talk about products you already love. That's the power of sponsorships. But here's the thing. You've got to know how to attract those sponsors. The key is to build a strong, engaged audience and create high-quality content that brands will actually want to be associated with. Think about it. Would you sponsor a channel with low views and zero engagement? Probably not. Once you've got their attention, it's all about crafting a killer pitch. Showcase your channel's strengths, highlight your audience demographics, and explain exactly how a partnership would benefit the brand. Don't be afraid to negotiate your worth, but always be professional and respectful.
All right, guys, ready to take it to the next level? Let's talk merch. That's right, selling your own branded products can be a game changer for your YouTube income. Think t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases. The possibilities are endless. But before you go slapping your logo on everything in sight, remember, your merch needs to be awesome. It needs to represent your brand and resonate with your audience. Think about what your viewers would actually want to wear or use. Once you've got your designs down, it's all about finding the right platform to sell your merch. You can go the DIY route with websites like Shopify or Teespring, or you can partner with a merch company that handles everything from production to shipping. Let's talk about building a community, guys. YouTube memberships are all about giving your most loyal fans a way to support you directly while getting exclusive perks in return. It's a win-win. The key to successful memberships is offering killer perks that your audience actually wants. Think exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, custom emojis, badges, and even direct interactions with you. And don't forget to promote your memberships like crazy. Mention them in your videos, create dedicated trailers, and even offer special deals and discounts. The more value you offer, the more likely people are to join your crew. Last but not least, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to earn passive income by recommending products you love to your audience. It's super simple. You join an affiliate program, get a unique link, and then promote that link in your videos, descriptions, and even social media. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to be authentic. Only recommend products you genuinely believe in, and that would actually benefit your viewers. Don't just shill anything and everything for a quick buck. And be sure to disclose your affiliate relationships. Transparency is key here, guys. Let your audience know that you may earn a commission if they purchase through your link. Boom! There you have it, guys. 5 powerful ways to boost your YouTube earnings and turn your channel into a money-making machine. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Just keep creating amazing content, engaging with your audience, and implementing these strategies. The more value you provide, the more success you'll achieve.
Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.